So hey guys, I'm up in Hayward, California at the headquarters for P&S. Now, a lot of people see the products, but they don't see how they're made or the facility itself. So come on in, I'm gonna give you a little tour real quick and show you around the facility. So they're actually in a production meeting right now, so all the staff's up here, which is kind of cool because we'll be able to walk straight through and we'll have the warehouse to ourselves. So we can snoop around. I think I'm gonna put like a tote of bead maker inside my suitcase to see if they notice it's missing. So this is kind of the area right here. So this is the warehouse. So everything that they're storing for shipping out and so forth comes down through here. You're gonna see we'll kind of zigzag our way through it. It's a massive warehouse, and then we'll go back into production. They've even got an explosion-proof room for some of the more risky chemicals that they make and so forth. And what you guys don't see is underneath this entire building is all storage tanks. And so there's an underground tank farm that's underneath this building. It's pretty wild. So again, down through this aisle, this is a lot of the 5-gallon sizes and so forth. We'll get back over into larger sizes, smaller sizes, and everything else. So come on in and we'll show you some of the products. Oh, let's stop right here for a second. This is cool. So this is one of our newest product lines. This is Chemtrol, and this is one of our automatic dispensing systems that we introduced last year, and it's just coming out right now. So it's gonna be something pretty cool to check out. So this is a lot of the chemicals that they actually use in the production of the products. And so down this entire aisle, you'll see all the raw materials that actually make the products up. So check this out. And so you'll see underneath is on the bottom of the floor, it's all catch basins. So what this does is this is capture in case there's a leak, something leaks from up above, is these containers actually will take and catch this, and so there's no spills. For those that love paint gloss, we got a little bit in stock. So this is getting ready, this is shipping out. These are our bulk containers, and that's a lot of paint gloss. So miscellaneous supplies, tools, everything else, sandpapers, steamer equipment, flex tools, blowers, all the miscellaneous small items are all stored through this section. So I know a lot of you are gonna go crazy over this section. Big fans of the Rupes tools. And so come on over, look at this. I'll just take this rack home. Just like, I don't think this is gonna fit in my suitcase. So again, now this is bulk storage. So this is a lot of the products that are getting ready to go out right now. This is where they're prepping everything that's gonna be shipped out. So whether it's bulk, and then this is really cool is that this is something new, is that what they've done is to make it easier for the warehouse staff is they've actually labeled everything on the floors of right where it goes. So when they're pulling orders to ship out, it's easy to identify. And so you can come down, and this is basically the whole double black row right here going both directions. So now we're going to get into labeling and then also the filling stations. So you can see all this equipment here is we've got filling stations here. They're actually going to palletize the pre-shipments here, and then actually behind us is another filling station here with yet another filling station across in the warehouse just across the street. So check this out, come on over. So another batch room, and this is called the explosion-proof room. Don't use it in as much anymore, but it is here just in case. But back in the day when a lot of the chemicals were a lot more hazardous, this is where they're produced. Now we're using this for large batch manufacturing and so forth. So you'll see that they'll actually make the products here, bottle it, and then it's ready to go out to you. This is an international order getting ready to go out to our brothers and sisters in Russia. So check that out. This will be being shipped out here just in the next couple days. And we love to see our international business grow with our partners. And then next, come on over here. Check this out. This is where our mad scientist Dave Phillips works. This is his office. And so this is where the chemistry goes down. This is Dave's little laboratory. that he works in. It's also kind of the central hub for all operations here at P&S. So this is going to be the shipping area. So this is where everything's kind of staged before it goes out to our different online suppliers and distributors. So everything in this area here is staged and getting ready to go out and be put onto the trucks. Oh, we got to hold on. And so this is kind of cool. This is one of the original distributors for P&S. Stephen Chin's actually here. Hey, are you picking up an order? I am. And so this is cool because Stephen goes back. His family goes back to the start of P&S 60 years ago. And so he happens to be here just picking it up. So this is kind of cool to see him. So what's up, buddy? How you doing, man? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. Is that awesome or what? Oh, I love it. I love it. How you doing, man? Good. Life good? Yeah. Good. All right. So come across the street. We're going to come over to the other. This is the kind of the backup warehouse where we supply a lot of the bulk, also the containers, and then also the training centers right here in this building. So kind of a funny story is that 5 years ago is the Phillips were really into boating, and the main thing that was in this building was their boat. And now you can see by coming in, this place is absolutely packed. What's up, guys? So again, 5 years ago, this room was practically empty. There was a boat sitting here, but as you can see now, these are all just empty bottles that are getting ready to be filled. And these kind of orders are pretty much coming in every week just to back up orders that all of you are making. So this is pretty cool because this is another one of the fill lines that we actually had to add in this last year. So this is one of our bottling locations. This is going 12 hours a day, 5 days a week, never stops. We're really proud of this because it's our newest system. And we just, again, we're so blessed. It's unbelievable to come in this room and see this compared to just a few years ago of what we were doing. So this is our little trailer we do special projects on. It goes up to Air Force One with us. It goes to McCall's event, and it's just to kind of tow all of our extra equipment and so forth. So that's our training center. We had a staff lunch yesterday in here. Normally this is where we bring in the vehicles and we do the one-day trainings and so forth. Prentice does a great job on that. So this is our little training outdoor area where the cars are actually parked for our work. So come on in and check out our classroom. So check it out. So this is our actual classroom now. Bob and Dave built this a few years ago, but it's really cool to work out of. And it's just something that we really enjoy teaching and defining the skills that detailers have. So this is a big part of what we do. So this is really cool because this is something new that Bob and Dave decided to go ahead and put up. It's one of our very, very first trade booths. So what we're going to use this for now is just doing informational videos and so forth. So, you know, you look at a simple sign and you know, 5 years ago, this was it, is that it started out with P&S, and I use this as inspiration for, you know, next year P&S is 60 years old. And to look at this branding is that, you know, we really stepped out of our comfort zone. We created double black. And then right behind that was inspiration. And then we started the P&S storefront project, and then Chemtrol is now on target. So I look at this and I look at the progression in 5 years of what we've been able to do as a team, and it just blows me away. And we got so many of you, and that's why I really wanted people to see kind of the backside of what P&S is. So let's go up and show you the business side of it, show the office and some of the staff up there. And but this just blows me away. Oh, let's get Dave real quick. Let's get Dave. So Dave's in here. They just got done with the production meeting. So it's crank time. I mean, they're busy, so I want to go in and kind of say hi. But this is his office is where all the ops happen. So the daily grind of P&S comes right out of Dave's office. He's also working on, there's some new addition of Playmaker, Ego Makers up on the rack, the new compound that's coming out, new polish that's coming out. So let's go take a peek in his office. I'm just gonna say hi real quick. So Dave, what's up, buddy? We're not gonna. Renny, how's it going, man? Good. I know you just came out of production, so we don't want to bother you too much, but I wanted to share. This is Dave's. Yeah. This is his cave, you know. So this is where he makes P&S happen. So, all right, man, we won't bother you. We'll see you in a bit. And then again, I mean, it's just, you can see forklifts going around. There's people. I mean, they're palletizing things right now as you go. This place from 8 in the morning until 6 at night is just a beehive, and it's really cool to see the growth and expansion that P&S has taken and witnessed. And I just absolutely love. I love seeing the staff. We've got staff here that's been here for 28 years, and it's just amazing to watch people that you've grown to know and like and admire, and how hard they work. And it's just it's mind-blowing to see the changes and see the progression. And I just kind of wanted to share that with all of you. So let's go up now. Let's go up to the business side, and we'll see the front offices. Side of chemical sales that people don't think about is labeling. And so this is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. We got labeling going on right now. So kind of this is the clean side of P&S, and we're getting into the business side now. So all those guys out in the warehouse, they make everything tick. Without these guys, nothing happens. I mean, they make it happen. Now, the clean side of it, and this is the amazing side, is that how long the team members have been here. So how's it going, guys? And so this is what I call the clean side of P&S. And so manufacturing happens, we're out there at the shows, but these guys are collecting it all and making those orders go out smoothly. And so introduce yourselves.
I'm George.
So George, how long you been with P&S?
Been with the company for
24 years, Edwin?
My name is Edwin Morrison. I've been with the company for 8 years.
So, I mean, and he's the new kid on the block. So, I mean, in 8 years. All right, guys, thanks a lot. So now we're going to go into Bob. Bob just came out of the production meeting also, so I'm not going to take and hang him up too long, because they crank. And it right now is the morning hour. It's really important. But this is probably one of my favorite rooms, because you got the president of the company with my picture and his pictures all over the wall. But I like the fact that, you know, that's exactly it. So Bob Phillips, the president of P&S, and we won't keep you, because I know this is like critical, you know,
morning hours.
T minus. That's exactly it.
Getting things rolling.
But we're just we're taking everybody on a tour, the inside look. So there you go, guys. So there's P&S from the inside, looking back. Come on back. This more of the support, staffing rooms, and then lastly, our employee lounge. So, hey, thanks for going on the tour of P&S with us. A lot of times you just don't see a company from the inside out. You just get to see the shiny part. And there's a lot of mechanisms that happen to make all the products. So we want to thank all of you for being continued supporters of our company. And I'm glad we could take you on this little tour. So take care, everybody. Happy detailing. We'll see you next time.